Can you make money investing in cryptocurrency? Can you really make money buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or different cryptos out there? The answer is yes, you can make money, lots of money, buying or investing in cryptocurrency. Only if you understand what you are doing. If say you don't understand what you are doing, then you won't make money in cryptocurrency. I guarantee you that. You might get lucky in the beginning and make money, but it won't be sustainable in the long run. That's why I'm here to educate you on how you can go about sorting out the best crypto project out there that will make you money 5 to 10 years from now. We can build this gradually. What I'm doing now is researching on different crypto projects that have real use cases, that have real products that are required or that are needed in this world. So if say you really want to understand what kind of project out there that you need to buy, hold for the long term project that will make you massive return, then I'm gonna recommend you subscribe to my channel. And if say you need someone to guide you, to educate you on different crypto projects, how you can go about it, then connect with me through Patreon so that I can take you one on one and educate you all you need to know about cryptocurrencies.